Are 50mm spacers safe?
If you are going to get the wheel spacers, you are better to go with a trusted brand to start with and look for quality, durable materials. If you haven't found the spacers you like, maybe you can consider this BONOSS wheel spacer, because safety and quality are always the focus of BONOSS. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. The wheel spacer's surface is black hot anodized, making them more durable and corrosion resistant, longer survive life. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. Authenticity. You don't have to worry about buying non-genuine BONOSS products, because each box will have an anti-counterfeiting code. You can quickly check the authenticity through our official website.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.